How would you react if I was to tell you that I will be starting a milkshake corner wherein I'll be having a lot of ice cream, I'll be having a lot of menu cards, very glamorous lights, there'll be a lot of social media posts, but I will not have a milkshake making machine. Do you think that business can even work? Do you think I'll be able to sell even a single glass of milkshake? The milkshake making machine is the absolute key in making milkshakes. Well, you can make bad milkshakes if you don't use the correct ice cream. You can make bad milkshakes by using shoddy syrups, which will give you the taste, but the flavor would not be up to the mark. But still, you can at least run the business. But without the milkshake machine, how will you actually run the business to begin with? How will you even sell a single glass? In the world of investments or in the world of financial freedom, investments is that milkshake making machine, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja and this is Paycheck to Profit, India's first online based community which is going to help all the patrons, audiences, participants, readers, viewers help manage their money better, get a strong money mindset, get abundance in their life, attract abundance, manifest abundance, and also learn everything that there is to learn about financial literacy. If you're serious about making more money, if you want to get into investments and you have no idea how, and if you only keep cursing that schools did not teach you what to do with your money, stop cursing schools and the education system. It's done. Now is the time for you to subscribe to this channel and binge watch all the videos that I have made in the past. If you have any questions whatsoever, if you can think of, let me know in the comment section below. The comment section is just below the like button, so you might as well press that as well. And tell me, how can I help you? Tell me what is it that you want to know about investments, about money mindset, law of attraction maybe, and how can you get rid of money blocks? Ask me your questions about money and I promise you I'll try to get back to you on ASAP basis. But today I'm going to be talking to you about a very simple thing that you must and absolutely must master before the end of the year. This month, January, I have made 10 videos telling you about 10 different things that you can do with regards to your money, with regards to your investments, or with regards to how do you manage your money to finish 2021 on a financially stable note. So if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to watch all the earlier videos. But today I'm going to tell you investments is absolutely must for you to grow your wealth. Investments is that milkshake making machine in the milkshake stall. When you invest your money in the right investments, and there are many to choose from: mutual funds, equities, real estate, crypto, if you term that as investments, which let me tell you, it's not the best idea. We'll talk about it in the future videos, or you can just get in touch with me on social media and I'll tell you why. But having said that, when you actually master the whole concept of investments, that's when you are actually using your money to grow. Every book under the sun which talks to you about money will tell you to invest at least 10% of your salary. The moment you get it, 10% of your paycheck has to go towards your investments. I know this may sound overwhelming because there are so many people who don't invest even a single rupee or a single percent of their overall paycheck, and telling them to get rid of 10%, especially in these times, may seem extremely impossible. But if you feel that's impossible, that's precisely why you need to start working on your money mindset right now. Watch all the earlier videos, learn how to manage your investments, and you have an entire year, 11 months more to go for you to learn how can you at least start with your investments. If this video has resonated with you, please do not forget to hit the like button. Share it with other people who you know who are very impulsive, who do not invest at all, who are clueless about investments and would really appreciate you helping them by sharing this 4-5 minute video. I'm Manish Ahuja and this has been a good one. If you've liked it, please show your support by liking the video. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones and stay happy. Ka-ching!